every dollar of debt you owe might actually cost you 2 or even 3. I can hear you asking, how? Well, we'll break down 5 simple steps to cut your debt fast. Step 1 is reframe how you see debt. A study from the University of Chicago found that people tend to treat all debt the same, even when some debts are far more damaging than others. The research suggests prioritizing emotional impact over just interest rates. That means starting with the debt that causes the most stress, not just the highest interest rates. Why? Because momentum matters. Reducing mental burden early builds confidence, and people who follow this method are more likely to clear all their debts faster. Step 2 is the debt snowball method, but with a twist. List all your debts from smallest to largest balance. Then automate all the minimum payments and throw any extra cash at the smallest one. Once that's gone, roll those payments into the next. Automating the process removes willpower from the equation, and that's key. Psychology tells us that automation turns financial discipline into habit, which reduces stress and increases consistency. Step 3 is one that you might not like, but could be the difference between clearing your debt or drowning in it. Use found money like it doesn't exist. Any tax refund, gift, bonus or cashback, send it straight to your debt. Why? Harvard Business School found that people are more likely to waste windfalls because they feel like extra money. But if you mentally reassign it as debt fuel, you'll reduce your balance faster without feeling the pinch. Step 4 is to reduce your interest rates, even if it feels awkward. How could reducing your debt be awkward? Call your bank or credit card provider and ask for a lower rate. Yes, really. A study by ASIC showed that over 25% of people who asked for a rate reduction got it. No tricks, just one call. Even a 2% drop could save you hundreds or even thousands. Step 5 is a mindset shift, the no yes budget. For 30 days, say no to any new spending outside of your essentials. But where does the yes part of the title come in? You should say no to any new spending unless you can instantly say yes to paying the same amount toward debt. So, if you want to spend $50 on takeaway, you need to match it with $50 toward debt. If not, skip it. This creates a pause between impulse and action and helps you visualize the real cost of splurging. Debt doesn't have to control your life. These 5 steps can help you break the cycle faster than you think. But what are you going to do with your extra money once you have cleared your debt? If you are not careful, this additional money will see you falling right back into a debt spiral. If you want to avoid that, you had better check out this video here.